Yes, it was a pleasure to help you. Goodbye. That was one of our customers. He wanted to know how we handle the current situation when it is difficult to send out a technician. And now on his machine occurs some problems, or in worst case even a machine stop. One thing I can say for sure, no worries, we are always there. Whether in person or virtually. Moreover, how we help to keep the production running, you will see after the intro. An unforeseen disruption, or in worst case a machine stop, has its consequences. And in times like this even more than before. But, as I already told you, no worries, we are still there, we are still helping, and the world is still rotating. How we do that? With remote services, for example. The remote service is a daily routine for us for already many years. And nowadays, anyway, most of the problems are solved via remote control. And this is how it works. Normally, the customer calls us. And in worst case, it is a machine stop and he cannot produce anymore. The first step is to analyze via phone or Skype the failure pattern and try to limit it as far as possible. In second step, the customer can release us the access to the machine via mGuard. At this point, I would like to highlight that mGuard is a totally safe connection. And once we are online, we can make a detailed analysis about the machine. And online monitoring systems such as the online vibration measurement on the gearbox helps us on top. With the smartGlasses, we even have the possibility to take a virtual look at the situation directly on site. We can then navigate step by step what needs to be done, like we were on site ourselves. As you can see, the possibilities exist and have been already existing for years. The advantages of such a remote control stand out in times like this even more than before. And furthermore, the services on site in case of emergencies are still possible with the right safety precautions. If you have further questions regarding this topic, contact us as always here. And with this in mind, I say no worries, don't panic, and the most important thing, stay healthy. Your Leistritz service team.